All right. YouTube, it's your boy Zoe Knows. Today we got a cooking video for y'all today. Today we making cornbread dressing, baked chicken, collard greens, and macaroni. Wow! Hell and hell here. Got the police and shit. The hell? Come on, move out the way. Move out the way. What in the shit, bub? You see, goddamn, can I get in there? So I'm in hell. So I'm in hell. Lord, have mercy. Oh, light green. Light green. Light is green. Alright, let's get it. Alright.
When I turned around, she looked up like this. Let you know she bad.
Take the whole car seat? Okay. You got her?
That's what we should have got.
Want me to hold her?
Her car seat.
You got her?
She's holding me.
Piggly wiggly. Ah. See him move. Say ah. Ah.
Oh yeah, my big food.
Ah. Got the pan. Gonna be making some bread pudding. Some bread pudding
I
today.
need them. This one for the chicken.
Get it. Some good bread pudding. Hey, 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 hey. The plans, we doing banana pudding instead. Some of that good old banana pudding. Wow. Alright, we back, man. We got everything. This right here is everything we got. Yes, sir. Everything. Pans. And over here we got this chicken breast boiling for that dressing. And what these is, right? Some ham hocks. We got them ham hocks boiling. Got that oven already preset, the 350. And yeah, let me show you how we whip this thing up. All right. Eatery. Taz Eatery. I don't put in number about 1%. 1%. I taste it. I help out every now and then, but 99% is her. When it comes to this cooking, it's her. She throws down. She throws down. All right, she just tossed 3 of those chicken legs into this boiling chicken breast. Okay. And we getting everything lined up here. This right there, that baked chicken. I'm gonna show y'all these seasonings that she put on here. Yes, sir. Right, these right here, these seasonings we put on there. She got some garlic powder first. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna turn it when I put all my seasoning on there.
Oh yeah, she gonna flip the chicken whenever she put the season on the one side. What is this? Some onion powder. And as far as measurements, y'all, I don't know what to tell you. If you be cooking and you can pretty much judge by the video, go ahead, baby, you good. Slap your mammy. Gotta have this slap your mama on there now. Come on now. You know you gotta have that on there. You know you gotta have that on there. I guess y'all can just tell by the video. Yeah, what you doing? You need it open? Of course. There you go. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna say I thought you were done with the first one. Alright. It's a paprika. I hope y'all can judge by the video on how much seasonings that she put on there. We really can't give y'all no measurements. Like I said, 99% goes to her. She been cooking for a long time. Well, we ain't that old, y'all, but she been cooking for quite a long time. What is it? Some chili powder.
I don't use gloves, that fancy shit no folks be doing. I just mix with my hand because that's what I learned from my grandma, my mama. So I don't use no gloves.
Yeah, I heard it.
And my hands are clean.
This is where my little 1% come in. And I'm finna go ahead and start mixing the Jiffy cornbread together. The Bay is over there cutting those onions and bell peppers and all that up.
And most people make their cornbread from scratch.
Uh-huh.
But I don't do that. I just use Jiffy. It's all the goddamn on side.
Bingo. 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 So let's whip this cornbread up. I'm trying to place my camera up. And all to be good. Let's mix this cornbread up. Jiffy. $2 of Jiffies. Good Jiffy cornbread. 1 box. You gotta get every cent worth. Gotta get every cent worth out your bag. Alright, I got the cornbread pulled all in the pan. Now time to pop that bad boy in the oven. Now we doing them greens. And make sure that you wash them greens good too. Cause just because they in a bag, don't mean they clean. I'll let you know that now. Just because they in the bag, don't mean they are clean. Alright! We add them greens to that pot. And then took them ham hocks out. Put them ham hocks on top of it. Add some more broth. I'm gonna let that right there cook down. I'm gonna show you how. Oh yeah, most definitely got a season. I forgot about that part. I'm gonna show y'all what you use to season. Got some spicy green seasoning. Get y'all a nice picture so y'all can actually see as far as like the measurements for how much you put in there. What's that, bro? Some onion powder. And some garlic seasoning. No, well, garlic powder, my bad. And now, I'm finna add some crushed red peppers. We still got some more greens. She gonna let that cook down first. Just a little taste of crushed red peppers. That's it. And a little brown sugar. There you go. And a brown sugar. I'm gonna let that cook down. And yeah, that's what we got. Alright. Just whipped up that banana pudding. We already showed y'all a video on how to make this banana pudding, so that's why I didn't bother recording this time. I'll leave a link down in the description below if y'all want to go check out how to make this banana pudding. Alright. Just got that cornbread out the oven. I'm finna mash this cornbread up. Base shredding the chicken and getting the vegetables right. Those are the seasoning over there. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like whenever we done with it. Alright, we got this cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, chopped veggies, and this what is it? The
chicken breast.
The chicken breast mashed up. I mashed up the cornbread. Now we finna mix it all together. Time to eat. Y'all see that? We got them greens. Good greens going on. Got the dressing over there. Baked chicken and the macaroni. My ducky, 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 my ducky. Since you want my ducky, 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 hey, hey. Yo, man, show me how to eat that ducky. Ducky. Alright, let me see your ducky. Let me see your ducky. Go, man, hit your ducky. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, man, let me see your ducky. Come on, man, let me see your Dougie. Come on, man, let me see your Dougie.
I'm ready, Dougie.
Go, Dougie. Hey, 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 hey. All right. Move, yo, Dougie. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. No. 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 It's time to eat. Time to eat. All right. Yes, sir. baked chicken, macaroni, dressing, and them greens, baby. It's time to smash. Alright!
Been her kidneys, I ain't tripping, scratch them out like fitness. Hold up, start the track, guess a reminder, I don't trust these bitches. All about the sex. Say Lil Dre, what they know? We hit the